What's up, guys? My name's Dunlap. I'm a storm spotter here in Central Kentucky. Starting my new path, which is pursuing weather. And whether that be grad school or internships, we'll see, but definitely the side hobby is storm spotting and storm photography. And as you saw, I'm right up there. My little buddy is gonna be helping me with those storms. So hopefully I can get some cool shots as I chase around Lexington, Nicholasville, Danville, Versailles, Georgetown, Richmond, and maybe even far out to Shelbyville, Louisville, and then we'll see if we can go from there. I've got plenty of lightning lined up to show you guys, and I hope to have many more storms coming up in the monsoon season. Not monsoon season, but just the fall season. Hopefully we get some more thunderstorms. But other than that, yeah, follow me along on my journey as we do some storm chasing. Hopefully you enjoy it. I'll do some time-lapsing, some videoing, some photography. I got my GoPros as well for when I'm actually driving and chasing, and I hope to have some videos lined up for you guys in the future. Take care, guys.